Hi students, today we are going to study about the next point, that is values of a polynomial. Okay, see, first polynomials you have to write p of x, means you have to give any equation, that time you have to write p of x using suppose variable x, that time you have to write p of x. Suppose in equations variable m is there, that time you have to write p of m. Okay, see. Next point, what values of a polynomial means you have to give one equation and also the which variables, suppose x variables are used, and then the values are given. X is equal to 1, the 0, -1, and the 2. This value, any value, you have to put in any equation, the given equation, and then you have to find the answer. That is the what values of a polynomial. Okay, see, let us write here one example. P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Here, if x is equal to 1, 0 and -1. Okay, here three values are given. So these three values are one by one you have to put here and then find the answers. Okay, so first in answer you have to write the P of x. That is P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay, here first value, if x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then p of 1, so here put the value for x is equal to 1. Okay, so p of 1 is equal to, put the value 5 into 1 square, that is x square, minus 3 multiply x means 3 multiply 1 plus 7. Okay, and then solve. 5, 1 square 1 minus 3 multiply 1, that is 3 plus 7. So solve that. First multiplication, 5 into 1, that is 5, minus 3 plus 7. First one, 5 minus 3, that is 2 plus 7. So 2 plus 7, 9. Means P of 1 is equal to 9. Okay. If the x is equal to 1, put in the equation, that time your answer becomes what? 9. Okay. Now the second value is the first number, suppose. Second number, if x is equal to what? 0. X is equal to 0. Then first you have to write the equation, that is P of x is equal to what? 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay. Then here what? If x is equal to 0, that is P of 0 is equal to 5 multiply x square, that is 0 square, minus 3 multiply 0 plus 7. Then solve. 5 multiply 0 square, that is 0, minus 3 multiply 0 means 0 plus 7. Then 5 multiply 0, 0, minus 0 plus 7. So what is the answer? Positive 7. Then the P of 0 is equal to 7. Okay, that is the values of a polynomial. Next, third number is given, that is what? X is equal to -1. Again, third number. See, first to write the equation P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. If x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1, then put the value. First, P of -1 is equal to 5 multiply -1 square minus 3 multiply -1 plus 7. Then first solve. 5 multiply -1 square means positive 1. That is what? -1 multiply -1 means positive 1. Minus into minus plus. 3 multiply 1, 3 plus 7. Next, 5 into 1, 5 plus 3 plus 7. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15. That is P of -1 is equal to 15. Okay, this way you have to find what? Values of the polynomial. Okay, now see the next point, that is what? Zeros of a polynomial. Okay, It is same for the values of the polynomial, but here what is the point? Zeros of a polynomial. Okay, we see values of a polynomial, in that you have to give one equation and the x values. Okay, this value you have to put in the equation. That time you have to find the answers. That is the value. Means remainder you find actually. Okay. Now see, the next point is what? Zeros of a polynomial. Means you have to give one equation and also the value of x. Okay, that time this one you have to put in the equation. That time your answer becomes 0. That is this value is a zeros of a polynomial. Okay, see example. That is what p of x is equal to what? 0. Now see example. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. Here x is equal to 1 and minus 1. Okay, see P of x is equal to x square minus 1. Okay, now here first you will check that only what this value you have to put in the equation, and then your answer becomes 0 or not. Then write yes or no. Okay, if x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then P of 1 is equal to x square, means 1 square minus 1. 1 square, that is 1, minus 1. Answer 1 minus 1, that is 0. Means P of 1 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to 1 is a zeros of a given polynomial. Okay, that is what answer? Yes. So your answer what? 0. Okay. Next, second value x is equal to minus 1. This is the first number. Okay. Next, second number. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. If x is equal to what? Minus 1. Then put the value P of minus 1 is equal to x square, means minus 1 square minus 1. So minus 1 square means 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. That is P of minus 1 also is equal to what? 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a zeros of the given polynomial, either P of x. So therefore this one also answer what? Yes. Okay, this way you have to solve. Okay, now see one more example. Then P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Here x is equal to what? Minus 1 upon root 3. Second, 2 upon root 3. Okay, see, first you have to write in answer P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Okay, first value, if x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3, then put the values. P of minus 1 upon root 3 is equal to 3 multiply x square, that is minus 1 upon root 3 bracket square minus 1. So first one, 3 multiply minus 1 square, positive 1, root 3 square, that is 3 minus 1. Okay, so here 3 get cancelled, remaining 1 minus 1. Answer 0. That is P of minus 1 upon root 3 is equal to 0. That is what? X is equal to minus 1 upon root 3 is a zeros of the given polynomial. So your answer yes. Okay. Now see the one more example, that is you have to given x is equal to what? 2 upon root 3. Now this is the second number. If x is equal to 2 upon root 3, then first P of 2 upon root 3 equation is what? 3x square minus 1, that is 3 multiply 2 upon root 3 bracket square minus 1. Okay, then solve. 3 multiply 2 square, that is 4, root 3 square, that is 3, minus 1 3 cancel, remaining 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Means P of 2 upon root 3 is equal to 3. Okay. But here answer is what? 3. That is what? Is not equal to 0. Okay. Here see, is equal to 0 and here 3. That is what? Is not equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 2 upon root 3 is not a zeros of the given polynomial. So the answer is what? No. Okay. This way you have to solve that what? Values of the polynomial and second number zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Understood all of you? Okay. Now these 2 points are covered and then after you have to solve the exercise number 2.2. Okay. That is the homework part. Thank you.